Hello, my dear students. In this question, it is mentioned consider a relation table with single record for each registered student with the following attribute. What are the attribute? First of all, registration number, unique registration number for each registered student. UID registration number is what? Unique for each student. Second one is unique identification number, unique ID, unique at national level for each citizen. National level. Getting my point? National level for each citizen. Third one is bank account number, unique account number at the bank. But it is mentioned a student can have multiple account or joint account. Then this attribute store the primary account number. This attribute store only primary account number. Next is what? Name. Name is containing the name of the student. Next one is hostel room. Hostel room is what? Room number of the hostel. Now it is asking which of the following option is incorrect, my dear. Which of the following option is incorrect? Now option number A, bank account number is a candidate key. Option B, registration number can be primary key. Option C, UID is a candidate key if all students are from the same country. Option D, if S is a super key, then S union UID is also a super key. We will discuss each and every option. First of all, here I am talking about the option B. What is saying in option B, my dear? What is saying in option B? Registration number. What? Registration number can be primary key. Registration number can be primary key. It is true or false? It is registration number can be, it is mentioned registration number can be primary key. It is true or false, my dear? So here you can see, my dear, what is mentioned, registration number, it is a unique for each registered registration number is a unique, it is mentioned unique for each registered student, and this table contain the database only for registered student. So registration number is unique for each registered student. So it uniquely determine each tuple of the relation. Uniquely determine each tuple of the relation. So that's why it is true, because here you can write in this form, because registration number is a unique for each registered student, so it uniquely determine each tuple of a relation, so it can be primary key. Option this one is correct. You can say true or correct or correct. Okay, now option C, UID is a candidate key if all student belongs to same country. Option C, UID, yes, UID is a candidate key, is mentioned unique identification is candidate key. UID is candidate key is a UID is a candidate key if all student, my dear, if all student are from same country, if all student are from same country, my dear, all student are from same country, my dear. UID is a candidate key if all student are from same country. So it is correct or not? Yes, it is correct. It is correct. Yeah, you can say true, my dear. Why it is a true? Why it is a true, my dear? because here you can see UID. UID, for example, if I'm talking about the India, because UID, you can see it is mentioned UID is unique at national level. UID is unique at national level, my dear, at national level. For example, in India, for example, in India, Aadhaar card, let us suppose, Aadhaar card is unique for each candidate, yeah, each person of India. Each person of India, my dear. Aadhaar card is unique for each person of the India. But it is mentioned it is unique at national level. National level. Clear, my dear student? Because it is mentioned it is at national level, my dear. National level. So you can say national level. Why? Because if I'm talking about one unique ID, 1234, any PAN card, then what happen? Same can PAN card may exist in other state also, but it is mentioned already at national level. Yeah, same country. Like in, you can say Nepal, yeah, you can say Bhutan, you can say Russia. They also having the PAN card. They also having the PAN card. Might be you will get the same number, but country is different, na? But in the option it is mentioned same country, same country. Clear? So that is correct. Now option D is saying if S is a super key, if S is a super key, my dear, option D is saying if S is a super key, if S is a super key, then S union UID is also super key, my dear. Also super key. Yes, it is also true or correct. You can say correct or true, my dear, because any superset of super key is also super key, my any superset of super key is also super key. Now we will check option B. A bank account number is a candidate key. A bank account number is a candidate key. So we will pick option A. A bank account number, a bank account number is a candidate. A bank account number is a candidate key. Bank account number is a candidate. Bank account number is a candidate. This is incorrect. Yeah, you can say false. Why? Because it is mentioned a student can have multiple account or joint account. Because a student can have multiple account and joint account. Then what is the problem? What is the problem? Student can have multiple account or joint account, but this store primary account number. For example, you can say, example, let's assume two person, Ramesh and Suresh have joint account. Try to understand in this with the help of this example. Assume Ramesh and Suresh have joint account. Then what happen? they both have same account number. What is the problem? If they both have the same account, then what happen? They they have the joint account, then what happen? They both have the same account number in a primary account number. In a primary account number. So bank account number cannot uniquely determine, my dear. Cannot uniquely determine, and bank account number cannot be key. And bank account number cannot be candidate key, my dear. Cannot be candidate key. Why bank account number cannot be candidate key? Because here you can assume it is mentioned a student can have multiple bank account number. So okay, multiple wala case we are getting somehow, but joint account, let's suppose there are two student, yeah, two person Ramesh and Suresh. You can take any A and B. Two person Ramesh and Suresh have the joint account. They have one account in SBI, let's suppose any bank SBI, and have joint account. Then what they store in a primary account number? Same account number. So what happen? Let's suppose account number X denote each tuple of Ramesh, account number X also denote the each tuple of Suresh. So it cannot uniquely determine. That's why, my dear student, that's why A is not a candidate key. It is mentioned A is a candidate key. So my dear student, A is the correct answer, because in this question asking about the incorrect. In this question asking about the incorrect, my dear, asking about the incorrect. So account number cannot be candidate key. It is mentioned account number is a candidate key, my dear. So A is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.